Hey everyone, so I just got back home from school, and so for some reason there's love bugs everywhere, and they have been taking over the window unit. Like, the condenser has a bunch of them on there, and so as y'all can hear, there's no water in the drain pan, but the compressor just came on. So but one thing I have been noticing is right down there, for some random reason, it feels like there's a refrigerant line touching there because of how cold it gets, and it will be sweating there. Look, love bugs crawling out of my return vent. Oh my god. Get off of my air conditioner. Jesus. Okay, so let's get a start up. So yeah, runs pretty good. Let's check the filter, because I haven't cleaned it since I got it. Well, I guess that means I have a clean house because there's nothing on it. But yeah, it's still cool and good. I still do recommend this. It's an R32 unit. We got 5,000 BTUs. It's mechanical. For a mechanical, it's pretty accurate. And if you're looking for a cheap, affordable window unit, go on Amazon and pick you up one of these. Now, the one I got was from a place called Roses. There's not many of the stores out anymore, so I got this for pretty cheap. I think they were like $120 there, but they're like $150 on Amazon. But yeah, they're fairly cheap, and if you're looking for one, then I would recommend it. But it's by Midea. I think I'm gonna get me a U-shape Midea with the inverter compressor to put in the master bedroom for Christmas, and then I'm going to run the inverter off of 200-watt solar panels from EcoFlow. So yeah, that's a future project that I hope to get to in the future, but I'll catch y'all later. Thanks.